The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike, has spoken out after a well-known Niger Delta leader, High Chief Tompolo, also known as Tompolo, asked him to forgive Rivers State Governor Fubara. Tompolo recently showed support for Governor Fubara and called on both Wike and Fubara to make peace.
Even in Rivers State, our son, he will come back and sit on the throne. Yes. He will come and sit on the throne, our son. That kind of thing is not there. We will talk and understand. I want McDonald to tell this public one story. Listen, McDonald, tell them. In all of the John Nation, Wike is my friend. When he put his boy, Seminary Fubara, to the throne of becoming the governor of Bayelsa State, no German was there. No German supported Wike to do that job. As we are here, we are only for truth. That is when my father can accept it. Then my mother can accept it. That is politics. No, that because of that, about people in Rivers State, all over the world should not be angry. We no matter how he insults us, we are the same people that installed Wike as the governor of the Rivers State. Now that he's in tandem in concert with this our son, and they thrown him, we have to now talk to him. We need to dialogue, father and son relationship. Dialogue. Talk to Wike. We will bring them together. Even if you do not hear from me, you know I cannot betray you. There is nothing for me to betray John people anymore. Anytime the John people are standing, our man will always be victorious.
He also asked President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to help solve the political problems happening in Rivers State. However, Wike said that Fubara has not asked him for forgiveness. According to Wike's media aide, Lere Olayinka, it's hard to forgive someone who has not admitted doing anything wrong. Olayinka said Wike does not believe Fubara offended him personally, but he feels that Fubara has not followed good leadership rules. He asked that if Fubara did offend anyone, it will likely be President Tinubu, not Wike. In an earlier report, a member of the PDP youth group, Dari Akiniyi, said Wike might benefit from the current political crisis in Rivers State. He claimed that Wike and the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) may be using the situation to gain more power and weaken the PDP before the 2027 election. While this has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Do drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.